We all know that eating healthy is important, but as we age, it becomes even more crucial for maintaining our strength, energy, and overall well-being. That's why I'm excited to share with you 9 incredible superfoods that can help seniors thrive. Imagine transforming your health effortlessly with simple additions to your diet. Now let's dive into these amazing superfoods. First up, we have a group of colorful powerhouses. Berries. Whether you prefer blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or any other kind, berries are bursting with antioxidants which help protect your cells from damage and may even slow down aging. Not only that, but berries are also great for your heart. They can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce bad cholesterol levels. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, in smoothies, on top of yogurt, or even baked into healthy treats. Pro tip: keep a bag of frozen berries on hand for a quick and nutritious snack anytime. So there you have it, folks. Berries are a delicious and convenient way to boost your health and enjoy some sweetness in your life. Next up is a superfood that packs a punch, both in flavor and health benefits. Garlic has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries, and for good reason. One of garlic's most well-known benefits is its ability to support heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and even prevent blood clots. And if you're looking to boost your immune system, garlic is your friend. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to fight off viruses and bacteria. And here's a cool tip. After you chop or crush garlic, let it sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This allows the beneficial compounds to fully activate. Try incorporating it into cooked dishes, or if you're feeling brave, try chewing on a fresh parsley sprig after eating garlic to neutralize the odor. So go ahead and add some flavor to your life with garlic. Your heart, immune system, and taste buds will thank you. Let's move on to a beverage that's both soothing and incredibly good for you: green tea. This ancient drink has been enjoyed for centuries for its delicate flavor and numerous health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly a type called catechins, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. It's like a protective shield for your cells. But that's not all. Green tea is also known to support brain health. It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and focus, making it a great alternative to coffee if you're looking for a gentle energy boost without the jitters. To get the most out of your green tea, try brewing it with hot but not boiling water and steeping it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can enjoy it plain, or add a squeeze of lemon for a refreshing twist. So why not swap your sugary drinks for a cup of green tea? It's a simple yet powerful way to nourish your body and mind. Now let's talk about a spice that's been making headlines for its incredible health benefits: turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is a staple in Indian cuisine and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. This means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is especially beneficial for seniors who may experience age-related aches and pains. But curcumin's benefits don't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. To boost the absorption of curcumin, try pairing turmeric with black pepper. You can add both spices to your favorite dishes or enjoy them in a warm cup of golden milk. Whether you're sprinkling it on your food or sipping it in a latte, turmeric is a delicious and easy way to add a dose of health to your day. Let's move on to a vegetable that's often overlooked but packs a serious nutritional punch: broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in countless ways. First and foremost, broccoli is an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly, prevents constipation, and even promotes a healthy gut microbiome. But broccoli's benefits go far beyond your gut. It's also a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against cell damage. And if you're looking to maintain strong bones, broccoli's got you covered with its calcium and vitamin K content. To make broccoli more palatable, try experimenting with different cooking methods. Roasting brings out its natural sweetness, while steaming preserves its nutrients. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to stock up on broccoli. It's a versatile and delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of mushrooms. These unique fungi are not only delicious, but also offer a wide range of health benefits that can enhance your well-being. One of the most impressive things about mushrooms is their ability to boost your immune system. They contain compounds called beta-glucans, which have been shown to stimulate the activity of immune cells, making them more effective at fighting off infections. But mushrooms' benefits don't stop there. They're also a good source of selenium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in thyroid function and protects against cell damage. Mushrooms are also surprisingly versatile in the kitchen. You can sauté them, grill them, add them to soups and stews, or even enjoy them raw in salads. So next time you're looking for a nutritious and flavorful addition to your plate, don't forget about mushrooms. These mighty fungi are a true gift from nature. Now, who's ready for some good news? Chocolate lovers rejoice. Dark chocolate, in moderation, can actually be part of a healthy diet. The key to reaping the health benefits of chocolate is to choose dark chocolate with a high cacao content, at least 70% or higher. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols, which are powerful antioxidants that can benefit your heart health in several ways. Studies have shown that consuming dark chocolate regularly can help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of blood clots. It's like a delicious treat for your heart. But dark chocolate's benefits don't stop there. It's also been linked to improved brain function, including better memory and cognitive performance. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to chocolate. Enjoy a small square or two of dark chocolate as a guilt-free indulgence. Let's move on to a superfood that's small in size but mighty in nutrition: flaxseed. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can benefit your health in countless ways. One of flaxseed's most notable features is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. They've also been linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. But flaxseed's benefits don't stop there. It's also an excellent source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which are essential for digestive health. To make the most of flaxseed's nutritional power, it's best to grind the seeds before consuming them. You can add ground flaxseed to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even use it as an egg substitute in baking. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your intake of omega-3s, fiber, and other essential nutrients. Finally, let's talk about a spice that's both warming and incredibly beneficial for your health: ginger. This pungent root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its therapeutic properties. One of ginger's most well-known benefits is its ability to soothe nausea. Whether you're experiencing morning sickness, motion sickness, or nausea from chemotherapy, ginger can help calm your stomach and reduce feelings of queasiness. But ginger's benefits go far beyond nausea relief. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Ginger is also known to aid digestion. It helps stimulate the production of digestive juices, which can improve nutrient absorption and reduce bloating and gas. You can enjoy ginger in many ways, so next time you're feeling under the weather or simply want to add a flavorful boost to your meals, reach for ginger. It's a versatile and potent spice that can enhance both your health and your taste buds. So there you have it, 9 incredible superfoods that can help seniors stay strong, healthy, and full of life. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Staying active, managing stress, and getting enough sleep are also crucial for maintaining your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.